ready to unlock a whole new level of PlayStation fun. First, power on your PlayStation 4 and navigate to the main home screen. Look for the Users section, usually located near the top. Select it with the X button. Now, you'll see options for existing users. What we want is the new user option. Choose it. A new menu will pop up. From the selections, pick Create a User. This leads you to the account creation phase. On the following screen, click Get Started. Next, you'll encounter the user agreement. Take a moment to review it, and then select Accept. You'll be presented with two choices. If you don't have an account, select Create an Account. This is where the magic begins. You'll now be prompted to enter your country or region. Select the correct one for your location and confirm your choice. Input your date of birth, ensuring the month, day, and year are correctly entered. Then click the Next option. Provide a valid email address and confirm it. This is very important for account verification and password recovery. Create a strong password. Choose a password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your PSN account secure. Follow the tips provided and proceed. Enter your first name and last name accurately. This information will be used to personalize your profile. At this point, you can use your real name or create a PSN online ID. You may then customize your profile like never before. And that's it. Congratulations! Your new PSN account is created. Now you can access all the amazing content the PlayStation Store has to offer and start joining your friends online. Enjoy the game.